Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter subscripts in Google Forms. Whether you're creating quizzes, collecting scientific data, or designing a survey with mathematical content, knowing how to add these characters can make your forms look much more professional. This step-by-step guide will walk you through a simple workaround so you can easily include subscripts and superscripts in your questions or options. First, open your Google Drive by going to drive.google.com. If you're not signed in yet, just click Sign In, enter your email, your password, and you'll be ready to go. Once you're in Google Drive, click the New button on the left-hand side. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for creating documents, spreadsheets, and more. For this tutorial, select Google Forms. Then, click on Blank Form to start with a fresh form. Next, you'll notice that Google Forms doesn't provide a direct way to insert subscripts or superscripts. But don't worry, here's the workaround. Open a Google Sheets spreadsheet or a Google Docs document, and create a small collection of the subscript and superscript characters you'll need. This step is especially useful for chemistry formulas like H2O or math expressions like x squared. To use these characters in your form, simply copy them from your spreadsheet. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Then, return to your Google form, click in the text box where you want the subscript or superscript, and paste it using right-click paste, or Ctrl+V, Command+V. For example, writing water as H2O places the two neatly in subscript right below the H. To make the process smoother, make sure you have your characters organized beforehand. Doing this saves time and helps avoid mistakes when you're building your form. You can store frequently used subscripts and superscripts in a dedicated Google Sheet for easy access whenever you need them. Once you've followed these steps, you'll be able to include subscripts and superscripts in any part of your Google form without any trouble. After that, your form will look more polished, and you'll be ready to share it confidently with respondents. It's also a good idea to double-check your entries, so everything displays correctly across devices. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use subscripts and superscripts in Google Forms efficiently and make your content look professional. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who might need a little extra guidance. Why not make someone's day easier?